Today we're going to be looking at the Dripex Hollywood Vanity mirror. Let's light it up. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video I've got a little review for you. I am busy doing my beauty room out at the moment, and I bought like a Hollywood style mirror. It's basically a mirror that lights up. And I thought it would go really well in here. I did have one in my old house, but I don't know, it was big, too big, it was black. And I wanted something nice, light and airy for this room because that's the vibe I'm going for here. So yes, I have it right next to me and it's in a big box. So let me just bring the box up so we can have a closer look at it. So here it is. But the good thing about this, it looks kind of big, but from the dimensions of when I bought it and I read the information, it shouldn't be that big, which is great. I didn't want anything big and obnoxious to take over the room. So I'm going to unbox it. We'll set it up together and then we'll talk about what it does and so on, and we'll give it a little try out. If you are interested in getting this for yourself, I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box, so give it a click and treat yourself if you like what you see. Right, so this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Okay, we have the feet for it in here. They are going to have to be screwed on. Oh god, that involves toolage and me. Okay, we get a little 10 times magnifier mirror with it too. Okay, that's nice. And we get the mains lead. Oh my god, this is looking so cute. I need to find a screwdriver. Oh, no I don't. It comes with one in the box. That's very handy indeed. Okay, we get a bag there full. Why is it all them screws in there? Do we need all of them? Oh god. The pressure. There's the feet. There's a little phone holder to screw on. Right, so while I put this together, I think I'll fast forward it for you because I think it's going to take me a little while because I'm not very good when it comes to stuff like this. So yeah. Wish me luck. So just reading the instructions, and yeah, you can set it up on the feet so it stands on any surface that you want, or it also has hanging style installation, so that's actually really good if you want to hang it on the wall. I'm just going to stand it up on my desk, but good to know that it does that too. Right, so that's the legs on, and that is the little phone holder on. And they seem quite sturdy. Let's stand it on up and try and set this bad boy up. So here it is. Let's peel it back. That's so nice. Very good quality mirror. There's no distortions that I can see in it at all. Just plugs in at the side here. And then just to show you these as well, you can attach cables to it. There's a USB one and another thing that I don't know what you call it that you can plug in. So you can have your phone on the holder and have it charging at the same time as well. I think that's really good. Right, let's plug this in. Okay, just reading the instructions as well. So you can have it plugged in the side, but apparently you can also, yeah, you can also plug it in the back here. Yeah, that's great that we haven't got that thing sticking out there. So I've just got my phone just to read some information about it. So this is the Dripex Hollywood Vanity mirror with lights. It measures 60 by 53 centimeters. Large lighted makeup mirror with 14 dimmable bulbs. 3 colour modes, touch screen control, adapter plug, desktop or wall mounted mirror for the bedroom. The USB-A and USB-C charging ports are on the side, so you can charge your electronic devices while doing your makeup and will not miss the important cell phone information. Apparently it has got a memory function as well, so whatever you set it to, it should stay like that. But I've read the instructions. I think I know how it works. But moment of truth, let's turn it on. Oh, and I just want to apologise if you can see any of the rubbish in the background there, the reflection. Yeah, I'm still in the middle of sorting my room out, so sorry about that. But yes, let's turn it on. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I'm going to turn this way and I'll look at the camera that way. I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll sort it. But yes, oh my goodness, it's so clear and I'm loving the lights. So this button on the left hand side here, it says, well, it's got the letter M on it, so we'll press that. Right, okay. So yeah, that's really good. So this is cool, that's warm, and that's normal, I suppose. And then this button on the right, it has the letter P on there. Apparently if you hold it and keep your finger on it, it'll set the dimness and make it brighter type of thing. Oh yeah, look, it's gone dim. And then press it again. Keep your finger on it all the way up. And that's the bright one. So let's go, right, this is the cool one. So if we press it and hold it, and that's it at its dimmest. And that is it at its brightest. I quite like that, the cool one, I think. I think that's probably what I'll use to do my makeup. And then let's just see the warm one, just out of interest. So this is the warm one. This is a bit too yellow for me, but I suppose if I'm sitting at my desk and I'm fiddling on with something, editing a video, and I want a little bit of light, I can pop the warm one on. But yeah, let's press and hold. So that's what that one's like at its dimmest. Let's brighten that up full whack. And there we go, that is that one. But that is my favourite one, the cool setting, definitely. So is that the brightest? Right, that's turning it down. Let's turn that back up again. That's it, that's the one I definitely want to keep this set up to. I really like that. Yeah, it's a nice clear mirror. I hope you can see how clear that is, but I am really loving this. It's so perfect for what I need it for. It's not taking too much room up on my desk. Yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? What do you think? I think it's absolutely fantastic. Just looking at my phone and it's telling me that this comes in 2 colours. So we've got this one, which is silver, if you look at the legs. And this is £96.99. So it is a lot of money, but once you've got it, you've got it. Hopefully if it lasts and it works all the time, that would be absolutely fantastic. It took me a little while to save for it because obviously I've been buying other stuff as well, but yeah. And the other colour they do is light silver. I can't really tell much of a difference in the picture, but that one was more expensive, which is strange, but that's £99.99. And the size that I got was, like I said before, 60 centimetres by 53 centimetres. Yeah. But guys, I'm absolutely over the moon with this. It looks really nice. Oh, while we're here, let's try it out. And there we go. Holds me phone. And you can pop it on the side if you want to charge it, but you still want your thingy, and you can pop your charger in like that. Sorry, I had my fan on there. I forgot to turn it off. It's actually quite warm in here. Says me who's wearing a big black top. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It gets a huge thumbs up from me, definitely. I've spent my money well here, I think, personally. But again, if you're interested in treating yourself to this, the link is down below in the information box and the comment box. Yeah, I am over the moon with it. I am very happy indeed. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.